Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. I have a rice cooker. Customer has given me to repair. It's working, but its problem is it's not cooking properly. Yeah, it's unable to cook properly and not cooking properly. Its problem is the sensor. Yeah, if it is not cooking, no, not cooking properly, problem is the sensor, or we can call it thermistor also. Yeah, let me remove it. Just twist it and it will come out. And after that you just push down. Yeah, just push it down. Yeah, then it will come out. Yeah, yeah, this is the sensor, or we can call it thermistor also. Yeah, so for have new sensor. Yeah, this is a new sensor. So if you change this sensor, then this problem will be solved. Yeah, you bend it like this, and here also. Yeah, then put it inside. Yeah, then we have to connect here also. We have to connect this. After that, we have to make it straight. Yeah, that's it. Now it will work fine. Yeah, so now it will work fine. Thank you, that's it. So dear viewers, if you see a same problem, it's not cooking properly. Yeah, so you just change the sensor. Yeah, okay, thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.